Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to sort by data in Google Sheets. So first we're going to open our Google Sheets. Then as you can see, these are unsorted dates. So first we're going to select them all. You guys could do that by clicking on the first cell and dragging it downwards. Then next we're going to click on data. So under data there's the sort range section, we're going to click on it. Then again we're going to click on advanced range sorting options. So here you guys need to click the data as header row option. Then you're going to click on sort by date. You guys can select if you want it to be sorted A to Z or Z to A. Then next we're going to click on sort. So as you can see, our data has been sorted. It's a very simple step. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.